Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all. In this class, we will continue the chapter, the tsunami. We will read here third part from the chapter. So come on the chapter and try to know about the further part, what had happened. You are getting here in the book. You will see here, look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog and try to describe the things that you see using just words and phrases. Either the teacher or one of the students can write down the words and phrases on the blackboard. So come on here. This is how you can start. Calm blue sea, ruined huts. So you know that before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. They fled to safety. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher grounds. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. So here we get that when the giant waves, the huge waves of tsunami slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, when the giant waves hit the coastal area of India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know. The wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. They felt that what was going to happen, and they fled to safety. Safer place. According to eyewitness accounts, what had happened? Elephants started to scream, started to make trumpet sound, started to cry loudly, and they ran for a higher ground. Higher land. Dogs refused to go outdoors, and dogs rejected to go outdoors. They were there at home. Flamingos, a type of bird, Rajhans in Hindi we say. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas. They left. Flamingos left their low-lying breeding areas. The low-lying areas where they were breeding, they rejected. They left these areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters. And the zoo animals ran towards their shelters and could not be enticed. Enticed means attracted, and they were not attracted to come back out. They returned to their shelters, their houses. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. Some experts believe that animals more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what is going on. Afterward, many people also believe that animals have sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. They know that when the earth is going to shake. This is the opinion of people. Some experts believe that animals more acute hearing, acute means sharp hearing, helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. They can feel the earth's vibration because of their sharp hearing. They can hear anything. Understand? They can sense they can feel approaching, coming disaster, calamity, disaster long before humans realize what is going on. So they can feel what is going to happen in the future because of their sharp hearing. Understand? And they can feel that when the earth is going to vibrate, going to shake. They can know because of their acute hearing. Understand? They can realize anything what is going to happen before human beings. We can't be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not, but that But the fact is that giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 1,50,000 people in dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. So here we get that animals have sixth sense or not, animals have acute hearing power or not, but we can't be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not. It is not clear that they have sixth sense or not, but the fact is that the giant wave, the huge waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean, killed more than 1,50,000 people. 1,50,000 people had been died in dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. Understand? Along India's Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats and dogs were found unharmed. So here we are getting along India's Cuddalore. Cuddalore is where in Tamil Nadu coast, Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished, destroyed, they were died. Whereas buffaloes, goats and dogs were found unharmed. And in contrast, dogs, buffaloes, goats, they were unharmed. They were safe. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals, including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds. Understand? Here we are getting the Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is a home to a variety of animals here, including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patangala beach inside the park. And here we are getting 60 visitors were washed away from the Patangala beach inside the park, but Patangala beach in Sri Lanka, but no animal carcass were found. Here we are getting in Sri Lanka that 60 visitors were washed away from the Patangala beach inside the park, but no animal carcasses were found. But there no animal carcasses means dead bodies were found, except for 2 water buffaloes. Only 2 water buffaloes were found dead. In contrast, 60 visitors were washed away because of the giant waves in Patangala beach. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Patangala beach. And about an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park, the people at Yala National Park had observed that 3 elephants they were running away from the Patangala beach. They were running from the Patangala beach and they were coming towards their shelter where they live. Understand? A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Gale said his 2 dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. They are usually excited to go on the outing, he said, but on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life. And here a Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Gale in Sri Lanka said that his 2 dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. They did not go for daily run on the beach. They are usually excited. Usually they were excited to go on the outing, he said, but on that day when tsunami hit on the coastal area, on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life and saved their own life. So in this way we get that animals have sixth sense or not, but they saved themselves. They saved themselves. They saved them from the tsunami here in this chapter. So I hope that you have understood all this clearly. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.